If you're getting the Steam failed to initialize error while launching Grand Theft Auto 5, try these fixes in order. Nashdarb 1, restart Steam properly, close the game completely, exit Steam from the system tray, open Task Manager end, steam.exe, GTA5.exe, Rockstar Launcher, launch Steam again as administrator, start GTA 5 from Steam library. 2. Verify GTA 5 game files in Steam, library GTA 5, right-click Properties, Installed Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Corrupted files often cause this error. 3. Run Steam and Rockstar Launcher as admin. Go to steam.exe, rockstargameslauncher.exe, gta5.exe. For each, right-click Properties, Compatibility, Enable, run this program as administrator, then restart PC. 4. Delete corrupted Steam cache, Steam download cache. Steam settings, downloads, clear download cache. GTA temporary files delete. You can see the code in our conversation history. Do not delete your save files. Repair Rockstar Games Launcher open, control panel, apps repair, Rockstar Games Launcher, Rockstar Games Social Club, then reboot PC. Server 6, disable overlay and background apps. Disable Steam overlay, Discord overlay, MSI Afterburner, RTSS, Overwolf overlays can block Steam initialization. Snashstar 7, launch Steam. First, important, open Steam manually first, wait until fully logged in, then launch Rockstar Launcher. Start GTA 5 from Steam only. Do not launch GTA5.exe directly. 8. Reinstall Social Club. Most effective fix, uninstall Rockstar Games Social Club. Delete leftover folders. You can see the code in our conversation history, then reinstall via Rockstar Launcher or GTA 5 launch. Shenstrick 9. Check antivirus Windows security. Add exclusions for Steam, GTA 5, Rockstar Launcher. Some antivirus apps block Steam API files. 10. Reinstall Steam service. Press. You can see the code in our conversation history. Type. You can see the code in our conversation history. Press enter. Then restart Steam. Final fix, if nothing works, reinstall in this order. 1. Rockstar Games Launcher. 2. Social Club. 3. Steam. 4. GTA 5. This completely resets Steam integration files. #SEO type